We all have cognitive distortions. Cognition is our ability to process information mentally. And so the way we think and the thoughts that we repeat to ourselves, in a sense, it's like the computer coding of our mind, or the programming that we operate through. Your operative system is as good as the code. Catastrophic thinking is an example of distorted cognition. Ways that we process information that are imbalanced or can cause dysfunction. Catastrophic thinking is when we assume the worst about almost anything. And there are people like this. They're very negative and quick to assume the worst. Oh, it's not going to work out. Or this is going to happen if I do this. Let's take a simple situation. You have a presentation at work tomorrow. Catastrophic thought could be, if I make one mistake at this presentation, I'm going to get fired. When you notice something like this, try to rebalance it by something more rational. For instance, making a mistake at your presentation tomorrow is not going to likely get you fired, and people on your team will most likely understand that people can make mistakes, and your boss is not going to fire you because of it. Repeating these things to ourselves is very important when we acknowledge or realize a catastrophic thought comes up. Or let's take another situation. I want to drive to the city, but there's never any parking. I'm not going to get a parking spot. So you decide not to go somewhere. Rather, take that negative thought, catastrophic thinking, and balance it with something more rational. Parking might be tough, but every time I've gone to the city, I've ended up parking somewhere and never had to drive all the way back home as a result of going to the city. Reminding ourselves of evidence, rationale, and balanced thinking is the solution or tool to apply when it comes to the cognitive distortion of catastrophic thinking. Be sharing more soon. If you like this video, smash that subscribe button.